Before I begin the music, I just wanted to say the ironic words of this song weren't written by me, a writer, but I'm going to be the singer. And since I couldn't find the music to this song, I decided to use the music from another song named Ironic, but that has no irony in it. So strap in. Dog's stomach was very upset, so I put him in the car and we went to the vet. And on our way to the vet, I killed a cat. Isn't it ironic? Don't you think? A water park has burned to the ground. A tow truck has broken down. I always cry when I laughed, and then I was raped by a clown. Adopted a child from overseas to rescue him from child labor factories. And on his first birthday, we went to Build-A-Bear Workshop. And isn't that ironic? Don't you think? If every day you played the board game Risk, you probably never taken a risk in your life. And Monopoly has far from a stranglehold on the board game market. There was a stand-up comic who always sits and slouch. He dated an animal rights activist who got really pissed. He was eating veal that was wrapped in pita bread. He got his girlfriend pregnant on a sterile oracles pull-out couch. He was watching Al Gore on CNN. He was talking and talking and talking, and then, and out of boredom, my pet polar bear shot himself. It's like that little kid who died from suffocation, choking on a piece from Operation. And isn't it ironic? Don't you think? A little too ironic. Yeah, I really do think. Bob Barker got all my pets pregnant. My grandfather had Alzheimer's. And one day we